I am at Bald Rock Preserve. This is one huge piece of rock here. Goes way up this way too. I'm actually probably down about halfway on it, but you can see it just keeps going past those trees. It's literally just one giant chunk of rock. And you can see that mountain in the distance. It's the same thing. Way over there. It's all one big piece of rock. It's a bunch of spray paint, graffiti. But otherwise it's pretty cool. This is facing south right now. So it's probably about 20 minutes ago I crossed over what they call the Eastern Continental Divide. So all the water on this side, and you can kind of hear some running down a stream to the side of me, but all the water to this side runs off to the Atlantic. And 20 minutes behind me, it all runs out the Gulf. So that's pretty cool. This is essentially the edge of the mountain range right here. Just thought you might want to see that today. South Carolina, and then just behind me is where North Carolina starts.